All right, these are two really good requests. PayPal and SMCI, two good stocks, two solid stocks. The first one we'll start with is PayPal. So you can see that PayPal gave a green dot back here. This was back in April. Okay, that came right there around $60. It pumped all the way up to 80 and it sold off here, and now it's just going sideways. So this sideways action is nothing to be afraid of. We're on the weekly chart right now, but if you zoom into the daily, you can see that it's just very choppy, right? It's not going anywhere, not going up, not going down, just kind of going sideways. If you come over here to our cheat sheet, okay, you can see that there's only three things that the market does. The market either goes sideways, okay, and this is the phase we're currently in on PayPal. This is actually called the smart money phase. This is where you actually want to be loading up, okay, and then the markets go up and the markets go down. So a lot of people, a lot of retailers want to buy when markets are just exploding or after they exploded. Okay, not a lot of hype around PayPal right now. Again, I think we're right here in this section on PayPal. Just again, we're building that base. This stock has not moved, right? If you go to the weekly chart, it has not moved since back here in May. So it's been going sideways. Yeah, it had a little pump up here to 80, but just realistically, that $65 level is support. It does have a green dot here on the weekly chart, which I do like. So as long as that dot holds green here on the weekly, I'm bullish on this. One thing to consider this week is that they got earnings coming up here on Tuesday. So earnings is kind of always a gamble, but honestly, PayPal looks pretty good here going into earnings. Now, again, earnings, they could miss, they could dive, but I do think $65 is a pretty fair price for PayPal here. And again, all-time highs was actually all the way up here at like $300. So I think PayPal looks good here. The other one you requested over here was SMCI. This one I don't like as much just because it's kind of already had a pretty nice run here. And you could see that it's fallen this last week. But this is just another one that has earnings. Again, if you guys follow our strategy, we never like to buy in this red zone here on the daily chart. So the closer we are to the red zone, the less I like it, because this is normally where we're taking profits. Okay, our profit-taking strategy is a red dot in the red zone. Okay, that came right there at around 57. Okay, we want to buy in these golden zones and sell in the red zones. If you guys were buying in this golden zone back here on the daily in April, you were buying at $30.40. Okay, we're getting green dots down here in the golden zone. That whole time you could have been buying. Again, it popped all the way up to 60, $30 to $60. Well, that's a 100% trade in the matter of, well, April all the way here to, what was that, August? So do the math, 2-3 months of holding, 100%. We'll take that all day. I would just watch SMCI here on the earnings, and I would look to buy this one if it sinks maybe down here to $40 and gives you a green dot.